Hi, and welcome to Ignite 2022. I'm Janine Park, Microsoft's Senior Product Marketing Manager on the Surface Go-to-Market team. And today, I'll be talking about why Microsoft Surface is the best, most flexible device for helping you support your industry workloads. Whether you work in financial services, government, healthcare, manufacturing, or retail, Surface has the devices to support your needs. Joining me today virtually from across the continent will be Tyler Ross from our Surface Customer Experiences team, and in studio, Chad Wallace from a Microsoft Worldwide Public Safety and Justice team to share how Surface is addressing today's industry needs and empowering organizations to do more with less.
Thanks for having me here today, Janine. I'm Tyler Ross, a program manager in Surface Engineering working on our industry solutions. Organizations are continuing to accelerate modernization of their systems and processes, leading to over $8.2 billion of IT spend globally on laptops, notebooks, and tablets in the next 4 years across all industries. Regardless of if you are digitizing your physical paperwork or your company's entire business process, having the right device alongside a modern device strategy is critical to managing that success.
That's where Microsoft Surface comes in. Built on the pillars of productivity, security, deployment management, and sustainability, Surface devices are designed to support a best-in-class user experience, built industry-ready and customizable to your specific needs, with design-for-Surface accessories like antimicrobial and ruggedized cases, cables, docks, and mounts.
This is where having the right device goes hand in hand with having a modern device strategy to accelerate your cloud transformation.
Exactly. Microsoft Surface devices add more value for your organization. They are versatile and can be more than just a point of sale or a custom-built tablet. Created with commercial-grade hardware and continuously updated firmware, Surface devices provide technology you can trust to stay competitive. I'm now going to hand it over to Tyler to dive into why a commercial device like Surface is right for your industry workloads.
Surface devices allow you to take your team to the next level. Standing on our 4 pillars of productivity and versatility, security, deployment and management, and sustainability, Surface devices can be easily customized for your specific needs. While many businesses have historically bought highly customized single-purpose machines, Surface allows for you to do more with less. Because the Surface you deploy into your industry line of business solution is the same as you deploy to a knowledge worker, you get the full advantage of a broadly available commercial device combined with a purpose-built industry functionality. For example, Surface provides a flexible solution for the changing workplace. Your Surface can easily convert from your back of office management computer to a front of house point of sale device to help you manage all of your retail needs. You also get the full advantage of the scale and reliability of Surface devices that are already in market. The Surface you deploy into your industry solution receives the same level of OS and device updates as you'd expect from a general purpose device. This means that you can feel confident that your device will always be up to date with the latest features and security updates. Finally, by deploying Surface devices into remote workforce, you can lower support costs through zero-touch deployment with Autopilot and unified management with the Surface Management Portal, which reduces costs and complexity for distributed workforce. All of this while moving towards Microsoft's 2030 goal of becoming carbon negative, water positive, and producing zero waste. These 4 pillars come together to create a best-in-class solution for your organization, no matter what your specific needs might be.
Thanks, Tyler. While we know solutions can vary from one industry to another, we are able to see how our devices work in action and would love to share some of our Surface industry solutions with you. Now I would like to welcome Chad Wallace. Welcome, Chad. Can you tell me a little bit about your role and what your team does?
Sure. Thanks, Janine. I'm part of the Microsoft Worldwide Public Safety and Justice team. We're an industry team of subject matter experts focused on supporting the mission of public safety and justice organizations to deliver secure and trustworthy services. Alongside our massive global partner ecosystem, we drive digital transformation that helps inform data-driven decision-making within agencies, improve their day-to-day operations, and protect the communities they serve. Now, that's a lot to say, but for me, our mission is simple: empowering agencies, improving operations, and protecting communities.
That's a big charter for organizations that people truly depend on. Can you share with us a little bit about how Microsoft Surface helps support mission-critical needs of the customers that you work with?
Yeah, definitely. As a former police officer, I relied heavily on technology that enabled me to respond quickly and effectively to the needs of the community. I depended on having real-time access to mission-critical information from our dispatchers, as well as teammates in the field, to be able to quickly make informed decisions. I recognize that while first responders need access to technology to do their jobs and serve their communities, keeping up with emerging technology or troubleshooting IT issues is not their focus or expertise. That is where devices like Microsoft Surface play such a valuable role. Having reliable and tough devices that are lightweight, familiar, and easy to use, but also have great performance, battery life, and cellular connectivity gives first responders the full power of a PC in the field. And probably just as important, it leaves room for them to grow as they adopt more advanced capabilities and keep up with current technology advancements. First responders like police, fire, and EMS need to have confidence in their equipment to ensure they have real-time access to critical information, while also keeping that information secure. Ultimately, this allows them to continue to focus on their primary job, which is serving their communities well.
Can you give us an example of how this would translate into real-world solutions?
Yeah, absolutely. A great example of this is our Microsoft Emergency Response Vehicle, or ERV. Although it's not about the form factor of any particular vehicle, our ERV program does a great job of demonstrating how Microsoft Surface and Azure, as well as some of the other great partners, come together to show how we solve mission-focused public safety problems. Bringing the power of the cloud to the edge in nearly any environment or situation allows access to cutting-edge technologies, which significantly improve decision-making abilities in dynamic, on-scene situations. Listen, during a critical incident, every second matters when preserving life. So, being able to make faster and more informed decisions is immensely valuable to the first responders on scene. The ERV program includes Microsoft Surface devices, which are connected to Microsoft Azure and cloud solutions to enable better situational awareness during an emergency response operation. I tell people I'm fortunate to have such an amazing job at Microsoft because I get to manage a program that shows public safety organizations how they can quickly have truly resilient and comprehensive command and control of a difficult incident. Much like an operations control center on the ground, almost anywhere they need it. We're excited to showcase these solutions at Microsoft Ignite.
I'll have to say, I do think your job is impressive, and I'm thrilled that the Surface team has incredible partners across our Microsoft industry teams to bring these solutions to life. Chad, thank you so much for joining me today.
Sure, thanks for having me, and I'm looking forward to empowering public safety organizations around the world with more solutions from Microsoft and Surface.
Another example I'd like to highlight today is with our Surface 2-in-1 devices, the Surface Pro and the Surface Go, that can both be used in a few different retail scenarios. As a store owner, with my Surface Pro encased in a Bridge SP Max Plus case, I am able to check employee shifts on Teams and ensure that I'm planning and optimizing inventory through Dynamics 365 supply chain management. I can then use the same device, take it to the front of the store, dock it to the Bridge Secure Connect dock connecting to core peripherals, and use the device as a point-of-sale system using Dynamics 365 Commerce. Alternatively, in the scenario of a store associate, I'm equipped to help customers in any part of the store with questions they may have and facilitate checkout with my Surface Go 3 in a UAG mobile pay system case with a payment terminal attached to the back of the case. No matter which industry you work in, Microsoft Surface has a solution you can customize for your organization's needs to help you move forward with the transformation to the cloud. Thank you so much for tuning in today to the Surface for Industry session. If you're looking for more information, please check out the Surface Industry Solutions webpage in the link below. We also encourage you to check out everything happening at Surface for Ignite.